1 hour after the operation.
Is it only 1 hour?
1.5 hours, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah. So, any pain in your leg?
No, I don't feel pain in the leg.
Do you want to just lift it up? Let's have a look.
Like lift the toes?
Yeah,
Or...
yeah, and the whole foot. Good.
Yeah, it's...
And posture, how do you feel with your posture?
I think better, because before I was holding the weight all on the
side?
left leg, and I think I feel more like I can balance
You can balance.
my weight.
Good. Let's see you have a little walk. Yeah. It's a bit numb from the anaesthetic. Yeah. That is fantastic. Really good. And you're standing nice and straight, which is really good.